Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because this brew unit that you see right here was inside this machine and it was in a very weird position because this one was completely like this and this one was all the way up like this inside the machine. So we had to go through the back of the machine, remove the bottom of it as well, and manually crank that transmission and push this one all the way to the original home position. And once it did that, we saw the damage that it did. As you can see, this completely bended. It's completely broken. This one as well, completely bent and broken. And this one, well, in really, really bad shape. So we had to replace the entire brew unit. This one I see right here. Replace it with a newer one, that one that you see right there, and we also deep clean everything and give this machine a nice tune-up. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out, then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Completely missed the mark, but we're still gonna be able to see a nice flow. And I'm going to select a much lesser volume with this one. And as you can see, we have nice little crema on that espresso shot. Even though we're using our test coffee. Hot water is nice and strong, excellent temperature. And now we're going to be testing the steam. The thermoblock on the generator needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, the water pump will pulse water through the system and then it will go out through the one, as you see right this. Once it gets even hotter, we're going to see pressure coming out properly out through the steamer one. And for that, you have to make the machine ready in order to produce steam. As you can see, steam's coming out of the one. Excellent pressure. Great temperature as well. And great flow. So there you have it, the Delonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.